Hi, it's Gordon from Avolites, and I'm going to take you through using a Scene Master on a D9 215. The Scene Master on a D9 215 is here on the console. It works in exactly the same way that a Scene Master will work on any other Titan surface, but here we've got dedicated buttons just for it. If you're on another Titan console, you can record a Scene Master by selecting Record, selecting Create Master, and choosing Scene Master on your bottom soft key. The Scene Master on a D9 works exactly the same as that. You have an Enter/Exit button, and this will change your console from live mode into preset mode. Here you can make any changes or move any faders. They will be visible inside the console, but that DMX information will not come out of the lights just yet. When I'm ready to make all of these changes, I can move the crossfader, and those changes will then come out of my lights. When I'm done and I want to go back to having the console in live mode, I can hit the exit button on my Scene Master. For those of you that haven't seen the tutorial on Scene Masters, make sure you check it out on the Avolites Academy channel.